Hello everyone, welcome to Christmas 2019. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I'm over the moon excited to share with you all my huge I Love Christmas series. This is episode 1. We have less than 100 days until Christmas, so on my channel we are going to do a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift store makeovers. We are going to make our homes fabulous and gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget, and I'm going to share all tips and tricks on how you guys can create amazing Christmas tree garlands, wreaths, just make beautiful vignettes in your home, and you're going to use items that you would not expect. You're going to use items from the Dollar Tree, the thrift store, flea markets. We're going to have a fabulous, gorgeous home, and we're going to do it on the cheap. So if you guys love these types of videos, consider subscribing, give this video a like. Again, this is episode 1 in my huge I Love Christmas series. Now, if you guys are totally crushing on the fall season, that is amazing. We're still going to have some fall and Halloween DIYs. And if you need some fall decorating inspiration, we did 31 videos in my I Love Fall series playlist, a ton of decorating DIYs, cleaning, cooking, shopping, and baking for fall and autumn, which I absolutely adore. I'm going to link that huge playlist down below, so go check that out because I know lots of you guys really love fall as well as I do. But I love Christmas and I love to create magical, unique, handmade home decor, and to do that you have to get started early. So that is what we are going to do on my channel. I have an amazing space created for you guys. This is for me and you guys to Christmas craft in. So I cannot wait to share with you guys this wonderful video. We're going to put up the Christmas tree. I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I'm doing so far, and just wait, you guys, I have such an amazing Christmas party planned. So without further ado, let's put up this gorgeous Christmas tree.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up
for this year, I will be choosing to use a beautiful flocked Christmas tree. I found this last season at Walmart. It's pre-lit and it comes in 3 different pieces. It's rather easy to put up, and lots of fluffing is the key to making this tree look absolutely fabulous and gorgeous.
For a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too?
The next thing I want to do is go ahead and begin to put my ornaments in some beautiful bowls, and that way I can kind of see everything that I have. So in the last video I shared with you guys a huge thrift store haul. I found these ornaments at the thrift store, and to see what I have before I begin decorating my tree, I want to just go ahead and put them into some really beautiful decorative bowls or baskets. I'm going to be working on is beginning to just really make my greenery look nice and full. Now at the thrift store they had this huge tote, and it was an older Christmas tree that looked like maybe it had lost some of its limbs, so it was absolutely free. So a great way to repurpose and reuse those older Christmas tree that have limbs but maybe not all of their pieces is to kind of add them in and around some of your newer trees. So I found this cute little tree at the thrift store. It was only $5, you guys. It's originally from Walmart, and it is a pre-lit tree. It comes in 2 pieces and it's 4 foot tall. But I'm just going to go ahead and put some of those branches of that tree around it to fill out the bottom, because I am going to be wrapping presents and putting all of that kind of fun stuff under this tree. But until then, I want to fill it out and make it look really festive by using these beautiful Christmas tree branches. been really excited to share this Christmas studio with you all. I have been working for weeks to set this up in preparation for the Christmas season and all of the amazing and wonderful DIYs that we're going to do. We're going to do a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs, over-the-top garlands, florals, gorgeous wreaths. You guys, we're going to decorate these trees in so many different styles. I have so many plans for everyone. I want to do different colors and styles, and I'm going to share with you guys how to make this amazing garland that you see on the front of my craft table using old Christmas tree branches, so definitely stay tuned. I love to do is go ahead and light a beautiful candle to just really set the mood. Right now I have been crushing on Fireside Marshmallow by Bath & Body Works. My son's girlfriend got it for me, and then the other candle I'm really totally over the moon in love with is a candle that I found off the Grove Collaborative website, and it's called Acorn Spice. And in fact, I have a huge 5-piece free gift set of the Acorn Spice hand soap and cleaning products. If you guys want to take advantage of it, definitely check that out. I'll leave a coupon code for you down below. I wanted to update my space with some beautiful new curtains. So Walmart has these $5 for 5 yards. They're on an end cap in my crafting and upholstery area, and so I went ahead and got 2 bolts of it. Now I was a little disappointed because they didn't have the exact same colors, but it ended up working really nicely. I put the 2 darker green colors on the end and then used the lighter green colors in the center. This was such an amazing way to DIY a no-sew curtain and create a really wonderful new look. They had all different kinds of colors. Now the fabric I think might just be remnants of fabric that they couldn't sell or that was left over, so it was a bit random. I do want to go back and see if I can find some more of these beautiful greens, because I think I want to go ahead and take what I've done in my studio and do this in my living room. So it's such a wonderful way to transform a smaller space or even a larger space for next to nothing. You guys know how expensive curtains are. So definitely check out Walmart for some $5 for 5 yards, some of those big beautiful bolts. I know they had purples and grays and this beautiful green. I was just over the moon excited. Comment and let me know if you guys love it and what you think about it. sweater. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have some little kind of sparkly, I guess they're kind of like little gemstone diamond-y things. And I just paired it with these cute little jeans. They're kind of fitted, and then I cuffed them at the bottom. And I have my little sandals because it is still pretty hot where I am, but I thought this would be pretty to kick off the holiday season. I also have these pretty little earrings that I found at the thrift store. They're just kind of some drop earrings. So kind of classy and fun, but definitely something that I could run around and do stuff with the kiddos. I could dress it up with a skirt or whatnot if I was going somewhere a little bit more fancy. So thank you guys, I hope you're loving it. So thank you all so much for joining me on this first episode of my I Love Christmas series. I am over the moon, excited to share with you guys so many DIYs, shopping, cleaning, cooking, and baking, getting ready for the Christmas series. Now, if you're still jamming out on fall, that is amazing. I love fall. I have a huge I Love Fall playlist. I'm gonna link it down below. We had 31 episodes. Click on the playlist. It's gonna take you through all of the fall Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift store makeovers, thrift store outfits of the day, baking, cleaning, and cooking, and getting ready for fall. So I love you guys so much. This is an amazing community. I wanna hug you all so tight. Listen, if you guys want to share some pictures of your DIYs and your home decor to get me inspired and to just keep this whole crafty inspiration creating thing going, hop on over to my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. Request to join. I'll approve your request and you can start posting away some of your fun DIYs and home decor. If you're new to this channel, you guys have to subscribe. This Christmas series is going to be epic, and I show you guys how to do everything on the cheap, which is the best part to me because, hey, I want to have money to go do other fun things with, but I also want my home to be boutique gorgeous on a budget. So thank you guys again. I love you so much. Oh, also follow my Instagram page. I share with you guys a ton of sneak peeks and behind the scenes of my crazy little crafty mama life. I love you guys. Until the next video, stay tuned. It's gonna be amazing. I love you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Come out here to say